Hi everyone, I'm going to go over Monday's lesson for week of 11:30. If you need help, please contact us via email or Google Hangout chat, or email and text us to Zoom for office hours. The first step of this week's lesson for Monday will be an ed puzzle. Second step, a Padlet response, and step 3 is an optional extension of an article. This is the weekly objective. You will be using evidence to explain how sexual selection drives evolution. Our key point from last class was that we determined that rock pocket mice's genetic variation led to different fitness in different environments. For the step 1, please click on this image and open the link here to watch your ed puzzle video. After you have completed the ed puzzle, please go to the Padlet, click on the Padlet here and open up the link. You will be answering 3 of these questions. Make sure that you are signed in with your LPS account or initial or name your post so that we know that is you and you can get credit. For step 3, this is an optional extension. Please read the article below, highlight important information, underline words that you don't know, look them up, and bold things that confuse you. So this week's article is about female birds, a paradise flocking to males with bright feathers. Once you complete step 3, you will check your work, make sure that you have watched the ed puzzle, responded to the Padlet, and read and annotated the article. Please let us know how long this lesson took you, and don't forget to click Turn In on Google Classroom.